that beat, sorry, it's fire, to me at least. And that was actually AI generated. I'll probably do a tutorial showing you how easy that is. All right, speaking of easy, this is gonna be probably the shortest tutorial ever. I am going to provide you with this prompt in the descriptor, and just to explain what you're going to do or what you want this JSON formatted prompt to read as is, anywhere you see the brackets, go ahead and type the type of room that you want. So for example, a modern bedroom. You can go ahead and type the type of flooring, whether it's carpet or dark wood floors, and honestly, fill it in as best you can, all of these elements. And if you're confused, don't even worry about that, because the next step, paste this prompt into ChatGPT, explain to Chat that you want this to read cleanly, even describe the type of room that you want and what you want to like unbox, and then it'll spit out what prompt to use, where you're going to paste in Google Flow. So you hit create flow with Flow, and you will go ahead and I'm going to click on a previous one that I did. Well, you would paste it in where it says text to video. So you can pick either Veo 3.1 fast, which is just 20 credits, or you can go with quality. That's going to be 100 credits. But honestly, first try with Veo 3.1. You use less credit, and you're done. See, told you it was quick. Thanks for watching.